Hi, second grade. I'm going to go over 1.5 with you. Okay, this is making arrays. So we're going to go through this together. Okay. So this is 1.5, make arrays. Your learning target is make an array to solve a word problem. So it says, use counters to model the story. Write an addition equation to match. There are 4 rows of students. There are 3 students in each row. How many students are there in all? So rows are going to go side and side, and columns are going to go up and down. Okay, so I'm actually just going to draw this. Okay, so our rows go this way, and we have 4 rows. So this is going to be the start of a row, the start of a row, the start of a row, and the start of a row. Okay? And then how many students are in each row? 1, 2, 3. So I already have 1. I'm going to go 2 and then 3. Okay? So you're going to do that all the way down. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and 3. And see how nice and neat that is. So all of your rows are in lines and all of your columns are in lines. Okay? That whole thing is called an array. Okay? Arrays are always nice and neat. Always, always. Okay? All right, let's go down. It says addition equation. All right, addition equation is going to look like this. So we have a group of 3. We have our 3. A group of 3, 3. Another group of 3, 3. And another group of 3, 3. And that equals 12. Okay, so our answer is 12 students. Okay, let's turn the page. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to hide my answers here. All right, so let's just go over the example. It says a garden has 3 rows. Remember, rows go side to side of tomato plants. There are 4 tomato plants in each row. How many tomato plants are there in all? Okay, so 3 rows. That's going to be a row, that's going to be a row, and that's going to be a row. So 1, 2, 3 rows, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and there's 4 tomato plants in each row. So in this row, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our equation needs to add up all of those rows. What's in each row? 4. 4 and 4. Okay, and when we add 4 plus 4 plus 4, it equals 12. So our answer is 12 tomato plants. Okay, I already did this bottom one, but let's see if you can do it without me. Let's see. I'll show you the answer though. So a photo album has 3 rows. So remember, rows go side to side, okay, of photos. There are 2 photos in each row. How many photos are there in all? Okay, so ready? Here's what it's going to look like. Those are your rows, right? 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, because we have 3 rows. And there are 2 photos in each row. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So our equation should look like this. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. So our answer is 6 photos. Okay. All right, let's go on to the next one. All right, this one. All right, this one says you have 4 rows of stickers. Okay, rows again. I'm just going to keep doing it this way, side and side. There are 5 stickers in each row. How many stickers do you have in all? All right, So we have a row 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that correct? Do we have 4 rows? They go side and side? Yes. That's little Oliver over there making noise. Okay, and there are 5 stickers in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay, so what is my equation going to be? Okay, so let's see. Up here, I did what was in each row. Okay, so what is in each row here? Well, I just counted. There's 5, so I should include my 5. Another 5, so I should include my next 5. There's another 5, so I should put it there. And then I have a last 5, so I should include that right there. Okay, what does that equal? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. So our answer is 20 stickers. Okay, try number 3 by yourself, and then I'll show you what the answer is. Pause the video. All right, here's number 3. All right, so it says an ice cube tray has 5 rows. There are 2 ice cubes in each row. How many ice cubes are there in all? So you should have had 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Okay, 5 rows. And then there are 2 ice cubes in each of those rows. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So our equation is in each of those groups there, we have to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. Another trick you could do is count by the 2's. 2, add 2's, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right? All right, this one is a little tricky. All right, so this says a bookcase has 3 shelves. They just mean rows, but it's talking about a bookshelf. Okay, there are 5 stuffed animals on each shelf. How many stuffed animals are there in all? Okay, so we have a shelf. That's 1 shelf. That's 2 shelves. And that's 3 shelves. Okay, I'm going to draw like it's a picture. I'm going to draw a bookshelf, right? You don't have to do this, but let's say that's a shelf and they sit on it, right? That's a shelf and they sit on that. That's a shelf and they sit on that. So that's what they're saying there. They're saying shelves, but they mean rows. How many stuffed animals are there? Well, let's add. We have 5, 5. Add the next 5, 5. Add the last 5, 5, for a total of 15. 15 stuffed animals. Okay, let's do the last one. Number 5. It says a closet has 4 shelves. They also just mean rows. There are 2 games on each shelf. How many games are there in all? So 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 in each of the rows. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so if you want to see the picture for this one, so pretend like it's shelves, right? That's 1 shelf, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then your equation is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. And you can also count by 2's if you'd like. 2 plus 2 is 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8. Very good. All right, we're going to stop there. The next page, the practice, is your homework. Okay? All right.